How to avoid distractions while studying. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to avoid distractions while studying. As a student, I know how difficult it can be to stay focused and avoid distractions, but with these tips, you'll be able to stay on track and get the most out of your study sessions. Tip number 1. Create a study space. Having a specific study space is essential to avoiding distractions. Find a quiet place where you can concentrate and make it your designated study area. Tip number 2. Use a timer. Using a timer can help you stay focused and avoid procrastination. Set a timer for a specific amount of time, say 25 minutes, and focus on studying during that time. Once the timer goes off, take a break and then start again. Tip number 3. Turn off notifications. Notifications from your phone or computer can be a major distraction while studying. Turn off all notifications or put your phone on silent mode to avoid interruptions. Tip number 4. Take regular breaks. Taking breaks during your study sessions can help you stay focused and prevent burnout. Take a 5 to 10 minute break every hour, stretch your legs, take a walk, or do something that you enjoy. Tip number 5. Use headphones. If you're easily distracted by noise, use headphones to block out any distractions. Listen to instrumental music or white noise to help you concentrate. Tip number 6. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking can be tempting, but it's not an effective way to study. Focus on one task at a time and avoid checking your phone, social media, or email while studying. So there you have it, 6 tips to help you avoid distractions while studying. Remember, staying focused and avoiding distractions takes practice, so be patient with yourself and keep trying. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any other tips, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.